My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that come from the website Deviceundershieldcom. The point is that these pop-ups come up on the computer screen without the customer intention. And the real purpose of all these pop-ups is to force customers into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups by the site Deviceundershieldcom may be the trace of some adware type program currently enabled in the computer. The adware may work as some standalone application or as some unwanted browser extension. So if you see the great number of such pop-ups on your screen, make sure you first of all check the control panel and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. If you find them here, get rid of them. Considering removing browser extensions that are not decent, go to the menu of your Chrome, click on More Tools, Extensions. So disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. To make sure that your computer is free of any other concealed threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.